Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Stone Fund, right? And you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money, guaranteed returns from this particular platform? Or is this something you should just stay away from? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them an absolute waste of time. So let's find out whether the Stone Fund is something that's legit. Is it real? Should you be checking this out, or should you be looking at other ways to make money online? All right. Now, if you come to the stonefund.com, it's a pretty nice little website right here, right? It looks pretty professional, and basically it says that it is a unique online investment platform that allows people from all over the world to receive dividends from trading different types of currency on major exchanges. So that basically means forex, right? And then it proceeds to say that if you think cryptocurrency trading is too risky, or the entry to the forex market and stock exchanges is set too high, which is very strange because you can invest any amount of money in the stock market or the forex markets. You don't need a lot of money to start investing, right? But they're saying with Forex Invest Chain, you won't have to worry about any of those things anymore. So that's as much as they tell you. They don't really explain what they're really doing with your money. They're just saying that you can receive dividends from trading different types of currency, which is essentially Forex, okay? And then you can see the investment plans right here. And their investment plans are extremely aggressive, okay? So they're guaranteeing you returns based on how much money that you want to put in, and I will calculate that in a minute, okay? And then on top of that, they have their affiliate program. So basically they're saying that if you recommend your friends and family, or you drop your link and someone invests through you, at the first level, you get to keep 10% of their capital that they invested. That's a crazy amount of money, all right? So that means that if somebody invests $5,000, you will keep 10% of that $5,000, which is $500 that goes straight to you, okay? And it's not just top level, it's also into level 2 and 3 as well, which is crazy. All right, that means you can. It's basically like an MLM. All right, but you're basically keeping the capital that they're investing, not how much they've earned in profit, but actually the capital, which is very again, it's a huge red flag right there. All right, a huge red flag. Okay, and now let's actually talk about the amount of money that you can make. Okay, now anytime an investment vehicle says that you're guaranteed to make income, you need to run for the hills. All right, I've done a lot of reviews on all sorts of different Ponzi schemes online, and anytime they guarantee return, I've actually been right so far. You can check some of my videos. I'll show you in the past in a second, right? But I just want to show you how crazy this is, okay? So I'm going to put in the investment amount for the minor plan. They've got a lot of different plans here, right? Minor number 1, so the maximum is $5,999. It says that they're going to give me $1,079.82 USD every 5 days. Every 5 days, okay? So let's do the calculation on this, okay? So that means every 5 days, so 30 divided by 5, that means you can get this amount 6 times, which means that you basically generate 1079 times 6. You're going to make $6,474 on top of your investment in 1 month at the minor 1 level. Okay, if you invest $5,999. So what is the return on that? The return on that is over 100% growth. It's ridiculous. Okay, now there is no investment on planet Earth that can do that and actually guarantee income unless it's structured like a Ponzi scheme. All right, I've been doing this for a long time. I've reviewed a lot of these types of businesses. It looks to me like this is a Ponzi because, first of all, no financial instrument or investment company out there, whether it's cryptocurrency, forex, stock markets, or anything like that, can ever guarantee you income. Okay, what they can say is we have a range of maybe 8% or 12% a year per annum, but there's no way that they can actually guarantee you income like this. Every time they guarantee you income like this, it's a massive red flag, and I would say 99.99% of the time it ends up being a Ponzi scheme. Okay, just like I called out companies like Obsai recently, right? I did this video and they shut down like 3 months after I did this video, right? And everybody was complaining. You can check this one out, all right? Another one that I called out was OneCoin, okay? I did this 5 years ago. OneCoin was the biggest cryptocurrency investment scam in the world, right? They ran off with $5 billion. And the lady, I can't remember her name right now, who is known as the queen of cryptocurrency, and they made, documentaries about her and stuff like that. She is still on the run. She is still on the FBI's top 10 most wanted list of criminals in the world. Okay, she's ran off. I did this video, I got a lot of hate for it, but I called it, and it completely shut down, and it was a scam. And the reason is because a lot of them are set up the same way. All right, no investment vehicle can ever guarantee you income. All right, it's not that you can't make money from this, it just depends on when you got in on the Ponzi, right? Now, I think that it looks like a Ponzi, highly unlikely that it's legit, all right? But what will very likely happen with stuff like this is you get in at the top, and depending on how early you get in, you might be able to make some money from this. You might get lucky, all right? Because that's the way that Ponzi schemes work. People that get in at the top of the pyramid, as long as you withdraw your money early, you can make some of this money. So actually, if you got into the minor one plan and you invested 5,999, if they don't close in the next month, you could get your money, you could get your returns here, and you could probably get your capital back. But what tends to happen is if you invest in this in the first month, right, and you put in 5,999 and then you make back 6,474, right, which is like, that's ridiculous returns, okay? No investment vehicle can ever offer that much. If you think about it, mutual funds only offer, roughly about 8% to 12% per annum, not even per month. All right, this is insane returns, okay? It just doesn't happen in the real world, okay? But let's just say you were to get that back, then what you would probably do is you would take your money and you would double it, right? You might go into the minor 2 plan, and you might want to invest a little bit more. So maybe you invest $10,000. Let's see the minor 2 plan, right? So the minor 2 plan, maximum is 9,999, okay? So that's what they want you to do, okay? And then now you make $2,299.77 every 10 days. So that basically you're making it that 3 times, you're making same thing, $6,000, okay? But still, that's some crazy returns right there, all right? And then you keep doing that. You keep doubling up, and then eventually they might shut down. And then you might either lose all your money or you might lose a little bit of money. And again, it's all about timing. And these guys can do what's called an exit scam anytime that they want, right? And that's exactly what it looks like, okay? So anytime a company guarantees you returns like this, I would just run for the hills, all right? Because there is no investment vehicle that can give you ever guaranteed returns. And the fact that they have an affiliate program that eats into the capital of what your referrals actually invest is, again, a huge red flag. Now, another thing that I want to show you, okay, before you go, is on their website, if you go to the About section, if you come down to the company CEO, right, this is a picture of Ian Hudson, right, apparently the company CEO. I'm gonna look for his picture to see whether they're just using this on whether they just pulled this from a different website. So I'm gonna right click here, and I'm gonna go to search image on Google, okay, and I'm gonna find the image source, and you're gonna see that this guy is basically all over the internet, okay? Look at this. These are all the different websites that he's on. They're all on completely different websites, all right? Now, what that means is that this is basically a stock image, all right? Now, anytime a financial website uses a stock image, or any website uses a stock image for their CEO, I mean, that to me, guys, is a massive red flag, okay? So if you are checking out the Stone Fund, I would say you should probably stay away from something like this, okay? It's not that you can't make money from Ponzi schemes, you can, but it just depends on timing. When did you get into the Ponzi? Did you get into it right at the beginning? Or did you get into it towards the end where they've like amassed a lot of money and then they just can do an exit scam and run away, and you just, you're caught with your pants down, okay? Just be careful. Look, this is your money. You can do whatever you want with it. You can listen to me or you don't have to listen to me, but I can tell you that on my channel, I've got a very good track record of calling out Ponzi schemes, and pretty much every single one that I've called out ended up closing down. Now, the Stone Fund could end up, operating for quite a long time. They could be around for a year. They could be around for 5 years. I mean, OneCoin was around operating for quite a few years, I think 3 or 4 years, if memory serves me correct, right? Before they finally did an exit scam and they ran away with $5 billion, okay? So yes, some people made some money with OneCoin, but a lot of people lost a lot of money with OneCoin, right? OBSI, I mean, OBSI was around for like less than a year. They were around for a few months only, but they ran off with a lot of money. Okay, and you should see some of the comments on some of my videos about OBSI. I have another one somewhere here, and people are like, "Oh man, should I listen to you, Aaron?" and that kind of thing. So look, just be careful. Okay, if it looks like a duck, if it swims like a duck, if it quacks like a duck, it's probably a duck, all right? And anytime any sort of financial investment guarantees returns, okay, or the opportunity, you know, to make money with them, the product, there's no retailable products here, okay? The retailable product here is just the opportunity to make money. So you invest your money, you make money, you invite your friends, you make money, that's the product, right? They actually have no actual product. They say that it's a dividend from trading different types of currency, but there's no more information about that, right? And if they can't prove that that's how they really make money, then there's actually no real retailable product here. It's just the opportunity to make money. And if you look at the official definition of a Ponzi scheme, that's what it is. It's when somebody offers you the opportunity to make money without any real retailable product. So again, look, this is your money. It's completely up to you what you do with it, but I think that this doesn't look legit, and I would probably stay away from the Stone Fund. Okay, but if you want to check it out, you can at thestonefund.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to earn some legit income, right? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies, different methods to make money online. And out of all of them, I still think there is only one great way for an absolute beginner to go from zero to the first $5,000 to $10,000 100% online from home. If you want to check out that strategy, just click the link below and I'll send you my free masterclass. You can check that out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of the Stone Fund. Again, I would just stay away from these guys, all right? Just be careful with your hard-earned money. All the best to you, good luck, and hope to see you on another video review. Take care.